Today, what we're gonna be doing, if you're new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We're gonna be doing DIY home decor. As you guys can see on the walls, we got some Picasso. We got some Picasso up there. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to get cheap, and I mean $1 cheap, $1 million artwork in your house. I mean, who doesn't want it? The first thing that you're gonna need are picture frames. I went to the Dollar Tree, spent $5. Try to keep the picture frames consistent. So we have 4x6, 3x5, 8x10, 5x10, and 3 5x7s. But the good thing about it is, as you guys can see, some are standing vertically and some are horizontally. You know what I mean? The next thing that you're gonna need are pictures, and this is solely gonna be up to you. I want you to know that everything that you choose is up to you. It's just your preference, what you like. This is what we have. Let me just show you guys my pictures. Cool, I think this is a Picasso. This is a Picasso too. Just Googled cool stuff, but it's just really whatever you like. And this was free, I just printed it out at home in color. You go to Kinko's, but that'd be super expensive. We've already got him up, we got him small, but here's him big. Cool little swirl, just showing you guys the pictures that we're about to hang up, and all this was free. Regular computer paper. Picture frames are going to make it better. Y'all know how to open up a picture frame. Uh-oh. Look at me talking shit and messing up. You can choose to take out this white border. Sometimes I take them out, sometimes I leave them. It just depends on how the picture fits. This is actually perfect. This is a Picasso. This fits perfectly in there, so we're gonna just keep it like this. We got art. So this one could go here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.